Hello, welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video, but before we get into the product and all that good things, I just want to go through the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is if you like the product, the video, anything in general, please give it a massive thumbs up. You just click the little thumbs up button. That's all you do. Or you can actually comment on a thumbs up if you really want to as well. That'd be great. Double whammy, go for it. But if you do like it, please give it a massive thumbs up. It tells me what you guys want to see, what you like. Other people see it, other people like it, and the video go around. And it also gives me feedback on the video. Please come and subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on the top of my main page. And then you will be into the YouTube journey and the love family. There is a bell notification button too. If you click this, you will be notified of when I've uploaded the newest video. Comment down below anything you like, suggestions, idea, whatever you like to do. I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. There is also a clickable share button to share it with your friends and family in case they're interested in this video. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands or anything that I do mention in this video. It is not sponsored at all. It's just out of my own money, what I fancied and advice for you guys. So no sponsor at all. Please check out my two accounts on Instagram. So you have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. tazwells12 is like my normal fashion, every lifestyle, everyday account. And then tazwells12 home is my home account, so anything to do with gizmo or our house or anything in general like that, that is that account. So please check, like, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that would be great. Now we will get on to the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product that we're going to review today is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna lip gloss bomb. This is a universal lip luminizer. There's a 9 ml in here, so this is the packaging. I have kept the packaging because I've only got one, and there was a massive story with this when I got it. This is in Fenty Glow, so that is what it is. And then this is actually the product. So I've had the product a little while because it's a bit bashed and you can see it's very loved. So this is what it looks like. It's like a hexagon shape, and then you've got Fenty Beauty down the side, and then you've got fentyglow down there, and then you've got the B on the top with a silver lid. And then if I undo the product, which you can see is a bit messy because I have been using it, this is the applicator. So it's just a round slanted applicator with a point on the top, which I really like because it's so easy to put your gloss on. You can see that this gloss has got a bit of a shine in it and a bit of a colour pigment. Very nice. Really like this. You can either use it with a lip liner, you can put a matte lipstick under it, or you can just use it as the lip gloss. Sometimes I will just use it with a lip liner mostly, or just on its own. So we're gonna try this out today, so I'll just get ready. We're not gonna use a lip liner with this product, so I'm just gonna put it on my bottom lip first and then go on to my top lip and then give you like a review basically. Just take the product out. I take most of the product off because there's quite a lot on this, and then I go on the bottom lip. My first impressions of this, I love this. It's really moisturizing, glides on. There's a lovely bit of shine in there, a glisten, it could even be glitter or shimmer to give you that glossy effect. The pigment's really nice. It's that nice natural browny nude that will go on very many versatile shades of lips. So it's really lovely product. And there's a big win for me. There's a lovely scent in it, like a sweet scent, and you can taste it and you can also smell it. I personally don't need a lot of this product, and that's why when I take it out I always wipe it on the side. That's why it's gone very messy. But you could see that I literally done the whole lip in that applicator, and there's still like product on the applicator. So this is what the lip looks like. Very subtle, very nice, lovely, lovely product. I can see why this was like a viral shade. I got it. I get it straight away when it came out and stuff like that, but I got a little while. I love watching like videos like this to see what is like the best sort of shade. There is a couple of other shades that I kind of like, and I wanted to try out one because they're not the cheapest things. Still a beautiful, beautiful product. And they're definitely worth the money. Some products I'm like, nah, that's not worth the money, but some are. Some you can get high street brands that are great. I love them. There's like loads of Maybelline ones that I really, really love. And there's Primark and other things. But there is the top notches ones like this and like Chanel, YSL that are really, really are lovely. And when you try them, you can like feel the difference. But this is a lovely, lovely gloss. I'm so glad I grabbed this. It is so great. My review on the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, or gloss bomb in Fenty Glow, is a massive thumbs up. This obviously will come off, so I'm not going to do a kiss test because it doesn't say it's matte. It is generally a lip gloss, so glosses will generally just come off. If you're kissing someone, or if you're having a drink or something to eat, you'll maybe have to take this with you to top up through the night or the day, whatever you're using it for, or just general use. But it's very, very nice. It's very subtle and it's just so good on your lips. So you know at the end of the night you're going to go home and your lips are not going to be crusty and dry, because this is giving you that moisture. My rating of this is a massive thumbs up. I would definitely buy another one of these, and I would definitely buy different shades. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the video on the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow, and my rating was a massive thumbs up. Really lovely product, just nice, and the brand is going strong and it's good. And loads of people do love this, and it was raved about at one point. But like I said, unfortunately we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you have, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up. It tells me what you want to see, tells me what you like. Other people see it, other people like it, the video go round and it gives me feedback. Please come and subscribe to tazwells12 by clicking the subscribe button on my main page. Please click the bell notification button too, and that will notify you when I've uploaded a new video. Comment down below. I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment. Click the share button and share it with your friends and family, or anyone that's interested. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention in this video. Is what I saw. Videos I've watched of other people with this product and I ended up loving it, ended up spending my own money, so no sponsor at all. Check out my 2 accounts on Instagram of tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting as always. Hope that you've enjoyed the video. Please take care, have a lovely day or evening, and I'll see you soon, guys.